Here we come to the elevators at the Life Sciences South building at the University of Arizona in Tucson, Arizona. These are US elevators with circle buttons from the 1980s. One's already here for us.
It's from 90 actually.
Oh,
So this building was made.
This is a late US elevator.
Yeah.
Door closes when you push the button.
Very slow. Door closed.
Yeah. Traction elevator. And there's the indicator, burnt out. Oh, nope, it's not. It's slow.
Just some of them are burnt out.
I think 3's burnt out. And oh, these are 2's burnt out. 2's the only one that works, so 5 works too. Oh, I can hear the motor generators running. You hear that?
Yeah.
You hear the motor generator?
Mm-hmm.
There's up the shaft, and you can actually see the roof up there. Here's a these have a motor generator. GL interlock. I wonder if it'll go into power save mode if we just... Oh, nudge mode. Nudge mode on a 1990 US elevator. Is it gonna take us anywhere?
No, it's just nudged us.
Yeah, let's go down to... Do you want to go anywhere, or do you want to wait and see if the generator shuts that down?
Let's just go down to 1.
You hear those relays. This might be relay logic.
Maybe.
Yeah.
You can also see it has a return button.
That's for fire service, though.
Yep. And call cancel.
You have to have a fire service key
Yeah.
to use it.
Yeah.
It does nothing when it's when it's not in fire. Yeah. Have you seen Diesel Ducey's Elmwood Garage video?
Yeah. Yeah, I've seen a couple people.
We are stopping on 1.
I've seen a couple people like when they were doing their fire service demos on elevators.
Do you want to do you want to do the other car?
No, they're the same.
Really?
Yeah. They're both like center opening.
Anyways, there it goes, and that's it.
Let's see what kind of motor this thing uses to open its doors with.
Anyways, here's the other car, and that's it.